Welcome to Randolph Tech Center, home to 1,500 students. Randolph is offering early enrollment for students who are looking to get a head start in college, also known as VAST. VAST is a one-year-long program for seniors in high school. This program allows you to obtain your high school diploma as well as completing your freshman year of college. VAST is a tuition-free program, and anybody who completes this program is awarded the VAST Forward Scholarship. This grants you $2,000 a year for up to 3 years if you decide to stick with Vermont Tech. Randolph offers 40-plus programs for you to attend. It's easy to apply. Go to vtc.edu to apply now. And remember, our time is now.